Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Storage Bandits. We had a few items sell Friday, and someone's coming to pick up some of the items today. Two of the items are these bar stools. I still have to wipe them down. We sold those for 30 bucks a piece. They're in good shape. There's no tears, anything like that. They've just been in the garage for a while, but had them online for a while, and they just sold. So 60 bucks for the pair, 30 bucks each. And then we have this office chair. It's in pretty good shape. Also, no rips or anything. It's leather. Just need to wipe it down. And we sold this for 40 bucks. And then the big item that we sold was this bed frame. It's leather. No tears in it anywhere. It's got a headboard. I guess you can call that a footboard if you want. No rips or anywhere on it. And that sold for $150. So anyway, just want to show you guys that you can make money. Just have to hustle a little bit and you can do it. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Sorry this is a short video, everyone. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. And until next Sunday, stay safe, everybody.